Hello, students. Welcome once again to my channel. So, today's topic will be Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture, which is a story from lesson number 6 of the reader book from Communicate with Cambridge. Okay, and this is a humorous story. So, what is the meaning of humorous? Humorous means anything that is funny. Okay, so anything that is funny is called as humorous. So let us first know about the author. So the author of Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture is Jerome K. Jerome, and his full name was Jerome Klapka Jerome, and he was born in England. And he was an English writer and a humorist. Humorist is a person who acts or writes anything that is funny, anything that is humorous. So that person is called as a humorist, and best known for the comic. Comic again means funny. Travelogue, Three Men in a Boat. So he wrote a comic travelogue, Three Men in a Boat, and also he was a humorist. It means that he loved writing anything that involves fun, humor, jokes, and such things. So, students, you must have guessed by now that the lesson or the story that we are having in front of you, Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture, might be a funny story. Okay, so don't worry, we'll understand in paragraphs. I will not take the whole story, I'll not teach the whole story in one go because it involves many minute detailings. Okay, so these detailings should not be missed out by you, so I'll be teaching in several parts. Okay, students, so let us start. So in the story you find, in the picture, if you see, there's a man with a painting or a frame that's hung on the wall, and there's a lot of chaos behind the man. So why did this chaos happen? What was the reason behind this chaos? Why the story is written on a painting? Like, what happened? So we'll just go on with the lesson. Okay, so it goes like, you never saw such a commotion up and down a house in your life as when Uncle Podger undertook to do a job. A picture would have come home from the frame makers and be standing in the dining room waiting to put up. Aunt Podger would ask what was to be done with it, and Uncle Podger would say, "Oh, you leave that to me, don't you? Any of you worry yourselves about that. I'll do that." So what is happening here? So there's a commotion. Commotion means a lot of chaos in the house. I mean, what the writer is trying to say, that you must have never noticed such a chaos in any of the houses in your life. And why it was? Because Uncle Podger, the character Uncle Podger, has taken up a job. And what is the job? So there's a frame or a picture that has come from a frame maker's shop, or somewhere they had given for frame making and all that, and it was still lying in the dining room. So Aunt Podger just asked. Aunt Podger is the wife of Uncle Podger. Just casually asked that what should we do with this picture? Like, it's lying here for since when? Since a long time, and what we should do? And Uncle Podger answers that, you don't worry, any of you, means he's saying it to the whole of the family members, that nobody will worry about this. I will take this responsibility of the frame or of the picture to hang it anywhere. So y'all don't worry at all about this picture. Okay, so next is, and then he would take off his coat and begin. He would send the girl out for six penny worth. Here, students, I like to tell you and communicate with Cambridge. Six penny worth is given as six penno worth. It's the same thing, okay? Of nails, and then one of the boys after her to tell her what size to get, and from that he would gradually work down and start the whole house. So what is happening? So he is very excited to fix that photo or fix that picture on the wall. And what he's doing, he is very excited and he takes off his overcoat, he keeps it somewhere. And he, what is the meaning of taking off his coat? So it's like whenever we are engrossed in some work, we just take out whatever extra clothing we have, like a coat or a sweater, out, and then we start working, like, okay. And he sends a girl to bring nails. Nails are the things, that attach to the walls and keep the thing or any hanging material stable on the wall. Okay, that is a nail. So 6 penny worth, it means 6 pence. The nail costs of 6 pence, so he sends that girl to bring penny worth of nails. And he forgets to tell the girl what size of nails to bring, because nails are of several sizes. So again he sends one boy after the girl to tell her what size to bring, and gradually the whole house is taken into the work what he's doing. It's just a simple work, students. He just has to fix that, or he has to hang that picture on the wall. But in the starting only, you'll see that it's nothing, it's no time, and he's already sent two people out for no reason. Okay, so now we come ahead. It's like, now you go and get me my hammer. So he sends again one person to get a hammer. Will is again a boy. He would shout, and you bring me the rule. Rule is a ruler with which he has to measure. Tom, and I shall want the step ladder, and I had better have a kitchen chair too. And Jim, you run round to Mr. Goggles and tell him pass kind regards and hope his legs better. And will he lend him his spirit level? And don't you go, Maria, because I shall want somebody to hold me the light. And when the girl comes back, she must go out again for a bit of picture cord. And Tom, where's Tom? Tom, you come here. I shall want you to hang up the picture. So you see here, so many characters are involved just to help him fix that picture on the wall. Okay, so he's sending this boy to bring the ruler, Tom to bring the ruler, and he's sending this one to bring the step ladder on which he will climb, and he'll hang that picture. Then he's sending Jim to Mr. Goggles. Might be Mr. Goggles is his neighbor, and he's also telling him that tell Paz means Papa or Father's kind regards. And he might, Mr. Goggles, it seems like he might be injured or something, so he's telling, hope your leg is fine and all. And then will he lend him that spirit level? Spirit level, students, is a small instrument with which leveling is measured or done. Like, it should be straight on the wall. We don't get the idea, the whole wall, like when we are putting that picture up, it might be crooked or anything. So with the help of spirit level, what happens, the picture is leveled up, and there's a certain measuring thing that we point it, and then we put the nail over there, and it gets leveled up. Okay, and then he says that when that girl comes back, whom he had sent to bring the nails, then again he tells that she has to go again to bring the picture cord, and Tom has to help him handing up the picture to him when he'll be climbing the ladder and putting up the picture. So you see, just to put up a picture, students, he is creating such a chaos. So there are so many characters involved who are helping him. So there's Tom, there's Will, then there's Mr. Goggles, then there's Maria, then there's that girl whom he sent. So many people are there. So this is so funny, because why it is funny, because he has a very very little work. That is, he has to just climb up, measure, and check it with the spirit level, and then hammer the nail and put up the picture. But you see, there are 5 to 6 people helping him, and there are so many people running after those people to again correct and help that person, that is Mr. Uh, Podger, Uncle Podger. Okay, so I'll be stopping here because I want you to understand the lesson fully and the details about it. So please wait for part 2. Part 2 will be coming very soon, and I hope you'll have understood. If at all you'll have any doubts, students, you all can comment down in the comment section. Okay, till then, take care and have a good day.